Top 6 vitamins to reduce enlarged prostate. Cancer signs and symptoms. Welcome to your daily bright brainy dose. I'm Loreto. Men frequently get BPH, or enlargement of the prostate, especially after the age of 50. Men with this ailment may have pain in the pelvis, abdomen, and region between the scrotum and anus, as well as frequent pee and difficulty urinating effectively. The issue is that as the prostate enlarges, swells, or grows, pressure is imposed on the tubes that connect to your bladder urethra, which might result in poor bladder control, an urgent urge to urinate occasionally with little urine, and a weak urine stream that may stop and start when you urinate. You can also have trouble really commencing the pee stream if prostate enlargement is present and untreated. An enlarged and swollen prostate can cause prostatitis, infections, and an increased risk of prostate cancer if left untreated. According to studies, hormonal imbalances are the root cause of prostate growth, where an excess of anabolic hormones like estrogen, insulin, or DHT has built up in the body. The 6 vitamins that can be utilized to help reduce an enlarged prostate to its normal size and enhance urine flow are discussed in today's video. Additionally, you'll discover easy lifestyle modifications you may implement to address the underlying issue. The term vitamins is used generically to refer to phytonutrients, minerals, and herbal remedies that you can employ to naturally reduce your prostate. Just a quick reminder that this video is solely intended for educational reasons. If you have any medical concerns, talk to your doctor. Number 1. Zinc. One of the most crucial elements for decreasing an enlarged prostate and regulating male hormones is zinc. Zinc assists in preventing the conversion of your testosterone into estrogen or DHT by inhibiting specific enzymes aromatase and reductase. This aids in resolving the hormonal issue that is causing your prostate to enlarge and helps to reduce inflammation so that the gland may begin to contract. You can start taking a daily supplement of 30 milligrams of zinc chelates and bisglycinate if you like, or you can get it from whole foods such as watermelon seeds, oysters, crab meat, oyster shells, pumpkin seeds, beef, organ meats, and dark chocolate sugar-free. Remember that too much zinc can deplete copper, so if you take a zinc supplement, make sure you also take copper in a combination of trace elements. Number 2. Phytosterols. By suppressing DHT, phytosterols, natural compounds present in some plants, have been shown to help an enlarged prostate return to its normal size and enhance urine flow. Additionally, phytosterols have been demonstrated to lessen the risk of heart disease by assisting in preventing cholesterol from adhering to arterial walls. Marley pattern baldness, which is similarly brought on by an imbalance of DHT, and hair loss are other conditions that men take phytosterols to prevent. Dihydrotestosterone. Green peas, sesame oil, macadamia nuts, pumpkin seeds, and extra virgin olive oil are some of the top food sources of phytosterols. Think about regularly consuming these, especially pumpkin seeds. Additionally, you may obtain this via a supplement called palmetto, which is high in beta-sitosterol and works wonders to shrink the prostate. Please click the like button, subscribe, and turn all alerts on if you found this information helpful. Lycopene 3, all distinctive. Lycopene is an antioxidant that is abundant in certain tomato varieties. This red plant pigment carotenoid aids in preventing oxidative damage to cells throughout the body. According to studies, lycopene consumption reduces PSA levels, aids in prostate shrinkage, and lowers the risk of prostate cancer by leveling out testosterone levels. When testosterone levels decline with age, estrogen levels rise and the prostate enlarges, which is highly helpful for aging men. Lycopene becomes 4 times more accessible when tomatoes are cooked, improving absorption. So begin regularly consuming home-cooked tomatoes, which are a superfood for the health of your prostate. Although it's simpler to merely eat it, lycopene can also be found in some prostate health pills that contain mixtures of plant compounds. As a side note, lycopene comes in different concentrations. Additionally, basil, grapefruits, goji berries, and asparagus all contain lycopene. Green tea, number 4. Start drinking green tea regularly. It's probably one of the simplest and quickest things you can do to help reduce your prostate. The best green tea is matcha, which has a high concentration of a catechin called DGCG. Epigallocatechin gallate. If you have a problem with your prostate enlarging, this prevents an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase from turning your testosterone into DHT. It has been demonstrated that consuming 3 to 5 cups per day dramatically reduces prostate gland inflammation, aiding in the gland's recovery and return to normal size. Number 5. Calcium. We must frequently eat vitamin C, an essential ingredient in our diet, from plant-based foods including salad greens, vegetables, berries, and fruits. The antioxidant network in your body is strengthened by consuming foods like cruciferous vegetables, strawberries, bell peppers, cabbage, and sauerkraut. This real vitamin C complex lowers the risk of getting prostate cancer by preventing or reducing oxidative damage to the prostate cells. Additionally, it aids in controlling the hormone cortisol, which can disrupt the hormonal balance and perhaps lead to prostate issues. Avoid over-the-counter products containing ascorbic acid because they only have 5% of the actual vitamin C complex. Use a whole fruit powder, such as camu camu, rose hips, or acerola cherry, if you do choose to supplement. Number 6. Lauric acid. As was already discussed, high amounts of DHT in the body frequently result in prostate enlargement. DHT, which is produced when the primary male hormone testosterone is converted, can promote the growth of the prostate gland tissue, resulting in urine flow issues and a high risk of prostate cancer. It has been demonstrated that the medium-chain lipid lauric acid, which is present in coconut oil, greatly inhibits the conversion of testosterone to DHT and prevents prostate growth. To replace inflammatory vegetable oils that can be harming your prostate health, I suggest cooking with raw, unprocessed, and organic coconut oil. Later in the video, we will discuss 6 steps to shrink an enlarged prostate. However, let's first examine the potential root factors that may have led to the development of an enlarged prostate in the first place. 6 causes of enlarged prostate BPH. Eating too many refined foods, such as sugar, processed grains, and bread, depletes your zinc reserves and raises your levels of DHT, insulin, or estrogen. This is the primary and most prevalent cause of an enlarged prostate. Coincidentally, being overweight can induce prostate enlargement as well, as the more fat you have, the higher your estrogen or insulin levels will be, which may be stimulating the growth of the gland. Another issue is that as we age, our stomach acids weaken, making it harder for us to absorb the nutrients necessary for a healthy prostate, such as zinc, because the liver aids in removing excess hormones. If you have liver disease, you're also more prone to having hormonal abnormalities. Your liver can be harmed by substances like sugar, alcohol, vegetable oils, and non-organic foods coated with chemical pesticides, which can lead to hormonal imbalance and probable prostate enlargement. Finally, dairy products may exacerbate prostate enlargement if you already have it, since they include prolactin, a growth hormone that may exacerbate the issue. Let's now look at 6 actions you may do to balance your hormones, reduce inflammation, and assist in shrinking your prostate. How to reduce prostate enlargement. Number 1. Start eating a salad with organic cruciferous vegetables like radishes, broccoli, arugula, kale, collard greens, or cabbage every single day. These are abundant in phytonutrients that assist your liver in eliminating extra hormones and increase the production of antioxidants that support the health and healing of your prostate. Number 2. Start eating a small handful of pumpkin seeds every day as one of the most effective BPH-fighting foods you can eat. These contain phytosterols, zinc, and vitamin E, which together help to shrink the prostate. Number 3. Start cooking with raw coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil instead of any inflammatory vegetable oils like margarine, soy, canola, cottonseed, or corn oils. Additionally, you should stay away from dairy products like milk and cheese because they might make an already swollen prostate worse. Number 4. Start your interval workout at a high intensity. Men's testosterone levels can be significantly raised with just 10 minutes of HIIT twice weekly, which also helps to lower other anabolic hormones like DHT, estrogen, and insulin. Exercise also aids in burning extra blood sugar, which may be a factor in the prostate's inflammatory state. Number 5. Concentrate on replacing processed foods in your diet with whole foods such as tomatoes, organic grass-fed beef, shellfish, wild salmon, and avocados. Processed foods include sugar, breads, cereals, pastries, and sweets. Each of these foods provides elements that support seminal fluid and the prostate's health. Number 6. Finally, having a fatty liver may result in hormonal changes and inflammation in the body if you have abdominal obesity or often consume alcohol. Follow an intermittent fasting regimen if this is the case. When you consume all of your daily calories in a 4-hour window and fast for the following 20 hours. One of the best methods for reducing an enlarged prostate and clearing the liver of extra fat is fasting. Check out the videos on our playlist if you want to learn more about fasting and how to lose weight in just 24 hours. No cap. I appreciate you taking the time to view our video today. And as always, I wish you good health, prosperity, and happiness. Please provide your feedback in the comment box below. Please remember to subscribe and share. And that was your daily bright brainy dose with me, Loreto. Thanks for watching.